In this video, I'll guide you through how to rotate PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're tidying up a document or just need to adjust the orientation of a few pages, this process is straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right in and tackle this task together. First, let's open up Adobe Acrobat. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of tools at your disposal. To find what we need, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the All Tools pane. From there, look for and select the option labeled Organize Pages. This tool is designed to give you complete control over the layout of your PDF document, making it easy to rearrange or modify your pages as needed. Now that you're in the Organize Pages view, you'll see thumbnail images of each page in your document. This visual layout is particularly handy because it allows you to quickly identify which pages need rotation. To begin, click on the thumbnail of the page you wish to rotate. If you have several pages that need adjustment, you can select multiple thumbnails by holding down the Control key on Windows or the CMD key on a Mac. This method ensures you can make changes to multiple pages in one go, saving you time and effort. Once you've selected your pages, it's time to rotate them. Hover over any thumbnail and you'll notice two icons appear. These are your rotation tools. One rotates the page clockwise and the other counterclockwise. Alternatively, you can use the rotation buttons located in the top toolbar of the Organize Pages view. These buttons offer a quick and precise way to adjust your pages to the desired orientation. Simply click on the appropriate button and you'll see the page rotate instantly on your screen. After you've rotated your pages to satisfaction, the changes are automatically applied to your document's layout. Adobe Acrobat is designed to update these changes in real time, so you don't need to worry about any additional steps to finalize the process. However, to ensure your changes are saved permanently, it's always a good idea to save your document. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu and then selecting Save. This action will overwrite the existing file with your newly organized pages. If you prefer to keep the original version intact, consider using Save As to create a new file with your adjustments. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to rotate PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat. By following these steps, you can ensure your documents are always in the perfect format for any presentation or review. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to explore other tools in Adobe Acrobat that can further enhance your document management skills.